In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add rich text in Shopify. To begin, make sure you are in the Shopify theme editor for the page where you want your text to appear. The theme editor is where you build your page layout by adding and arranging sections, and the rich text section is one of the easiest ways to place formatted content like headings, paragraphs, and links. Once you are in the editor, look to the left sidebar. This is the panel that controls your page structure and all of the settings for each section. In the left sidebar, click Add Section. This opens a list of sections you can add to your page. Scroll through the list until you find Rich Text, then select Rich Text. As soon as you choose it, Shopify will add that rich text section to your page, and you will see it appear in the sidebar as well. Next, in the left sidebar, click the rich text section you just added. This is important because selecting the section is how you access its layout and spacing controls. With the rich text section selected, you can start adjusting how it looks on your page. First, locate the setting for desktop content position. This controls where your text sits on wider screens like laptops and desktop monitors. Choose left if you want a traditional reading layout, center if you want a more balanced spotlight style for announcements or short messages, or right if it fits a specific design you are building. As you change this option, watch the preview update so you can confirm the alignment looks correct in your layout. After that, find section spacing. This is where you adjust the padding at the top and bottom of the rich text section. More padding can give your content breathing room and help it feel less crowded, especially if it sits between images or other text-heavy sections. Less padding can make the page feel tighter and more compact. Make small adjustments and use the live preview to check how the spacing looks relative to the sections above and below it. Take a moment to review the page preview once you are done, to make sure the positioning and spacing look clean and consistent. That covers everything you need to know.